How to craft and use shulker boxes in Minecraft. So first you will need two shulker shell and a chest and your crafting table. So just place your crafting table on the ground, open it up, place your shells right here and the chest. So just make sure that the placement is just like that. Now once it's done, you will now get your shulker box. Now once you have it, you can just simply place it on the ground and open it up and just simply place any item that you want to store. And what's good with this shulker boxes is that you could basically transport it wherever you want. So let's say I want to move it right here and bring it with me, and I'm just going to place it again. When I open it up, the items are still there, so it's basically movable. You could move it wherever you want, and you could also change its color just by using any type of dye. So let's say I have a blue dye right here, so you just simply need to get your crafting table, put it right there, put your shulker box and your dye, and as you can see I have now the blue shulker box right here. So just place it on the ground as you can see, and the items are still there. And that's how I basically craft and use shulker boxes in Minecraft.